Hello everyone, and welcome to Twoguysfinance channel. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the Bank of America Advantage Safebalance banking account. This is a popular account, especially for those new to banking or who want to avoid overdraft fees. We'll be looking at what it is, its key features, the fees you can expect in 2025, and the overall pros and cons. The Bank of America Advantage Safebalance banking account is essentially a checkless checking account. This means you won't be able to write paper checks, but you'll have access to all the modern digital banking features you'd expect, like online bill pay, Zelle transfers, and a debit card. The main selling point of the Safebalance account is its focus on preventing you from overdrawing your account. If a transaction would cause your balance to go negative, it will simply be declined. This is a huge benefit for anyone who struggles with budgeting and wants to avoid those costly overdraft fees. So, what are the key features? No overdraft fees. This is the big one. As we mentioned, transactions are declined if you don't have the funds, so you'll never be hit with an overdraft fee. Monthly maintenance fee. The account has a $4.95 monthly fee. However, this fee is easily waived if you meet certain criteria. For example, if you are under 25 years old or maintain a minimum daily balance of $500, the fee is waived. Digital tools. You get access to Bank of America's highly rated mobile and online banking platform, including their virtual assistant, Erica. You can also set up alerts for low balances to help you stay on track. No interest. A key thing to note is that this is a non-interest-bearing account, meaning you won't earn any interest on your balance. Low minimum opening deposit. You can open an account with a minimum deposit of just $25. In terms of fees in 2025, the primary fee to be aware of is the $4.95 monthly maintenance fee. As mentioned, it's waived for those under 25 or who keep a minimum daily balance of $500. Other fees, such as for using out-of-network ATMs, may apply, but the biggest advantage is the lack of overdraft fees, which can be a major source of cost with other checking accounts. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons to give you a complete picture. Pros. No overdraft fees. The biggest benefit for those who want to avoid overspending. Easy to waive the monthly fee. A simple-to-meet requirement for students and young adults. Great mobile and online experience. Bank of America has a robust digital banking platform. Wide ATM network. Access to thousands of Bank of America ATMs nationwide. Cons. No interest. You won't earn any money on your balance. No paper checks. If you need to write a check, this isn't the account for you. Decline transactions. While a pro for avoiding fees, it can be inconvenient if you accidentally try to spend more than you have. Overall, the Bank of America Advantage Safebalance banking account is a solid choice for those who are new to banking, want to simplify their finances, and avoid overdraft fees. It's especially well suited for students and young adults who can take advantage of the age-based fee waiver. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.